you are.
All right.
Hey, this is Mike at Clean Avenue Window Cleaning. Just to show you what we do with our ladders. We have 4 lengths of ladders that get us to most everything. 2-story, between 2 to 3 stories up. You can't really go 3 stories, but we have water-fed poles for that, so on the outsides. Anyway, we've got our longest one is a 32. Second is 28. Has the ladder standoffs on the bottom, and then a 24. And then this one here, 3, 4, 5, 16 foot. So I want to demonstrate a little bit about how to maneuver and set up a ladder. I'll start with the 24. Usually a 24, if it doesn't have the standoff on, you could pretty well muscle it. You could just set it up in the middle of the grass. If it has a standoff, I suggest setting it up the way you would a big ladder. Trying to find a base spot. You don't have to worry about balancing it and having it volume lift up. You can use a step, a tree, a sturdy bush, anything like that. Basically, you just plant the bottom and then you raise the top up. Like that. Now, another benefit of the standoff is that you have a gutter along the side of the roof. You can set the ladder. You can set the ladder typically in a perfect world without even touching the gutter. And make sure the bottom is set in. There's space right here so you don't, this is plastic, or plastic will break and metal will bend, but it gives you a good stability for your climb. And if you're up 25 feet, you don't want to have to worry about it. So, just a couple ways to carry a ladder. By the way, you can adjust these feet too. If it's on a shallow angle, I like to dig it into the grass. Like it is there. Just happened to work that way. If you're on a cement, a flat surface, level them out. You can even turn them this way for a little extra bite. Not sure this is OSHA, but I don't care. So, bringing it down, this. Now, you say you want to travel around the house. First thing you want to look for with a smaller ladder is, can I carry it vertically? Can I carry it vertically? If there's phone lines coming into the house, don't even think about it. Power lines, anything like that. And there's not. So if it's light enough, you can pick it up and you can carry it around like that. Now, in the event that it's too heavy to do that way, like on the bigger ladder, or there's an overhead obstruction, you have to take your ladder down first. Make sure it's in a lowered position, not fully extended. Bring the base in and walk it down to yourself. Now you've got a portable ladder. That's it for now.